Hi and welcome back. It's kind of icky out there. It's been gray all day. There are things that are blooming, so I probably look like I have something wrong because my eyes, I can tell already. It's just allergies, and you know, I think I've seen the sun maybe for 5 minutes total today. So since we're not going to be able to do anything outside really, we're going to go ahead and make dinner. Today we're making chicken with my last pint of chili sauce. I'm going to need to make some more. And carrots, just using up what I have in stock. And I'm going to go ahead and give you a recipe for kind of like a veggie medley casserole type thing, to be able to use as, you can use it as a side dish or a main dish, depends on your preference. So let's get started. One thing I do like about this type of recipe, throw together, is it's a throw together. I'm not using my stovetop this time. I'm just throwing everything in the oven, waiting for about an hour for it to you know, meld and bake, and then bring it out and then serve. It's really quick, really easy, and it's real food. It's not processed. The chili sauce that I made, okay, I think I made a video of it in year one. This was made in 2021, and it's my last jar. So whenever tomatoes go back on sale, we'll go ahead and make more. We have 4 pieces of chicken here. We're just going to go ahead and throw the chili sauce all over it. Throw it in the, cover it up with foil, throw it in the oven. After about 45 minutes, we'll take the foil off and then let it continue baking for another 15 to get it to evaporate some of the moisture a little bit. This goes into the oven. Now I do have this type of casserole for this type of dish. It also has a lid on it, so you don't have to worry about wrapping foil or anything up on it. I love this thing. I've had it for I don't know how long. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put in some of the sweet potato vines that I froze. Looks like 2 blocks. Add that to the bottom. It is kind of mushy. I do need to make room because we're going to be growing a lot more of this year. It looks like it's going to be a really good year. And with that statement, I probably jinxed it. Now you're going to want to layer salt and spices along with the vegetables. Okay, with this, we're also going to add the rest of the zucchini that I have. It's still also frozen. This is going to go into the oven. Same thing. Instead of 45 minutes for the covering, we're going to leave the covering on for 20 minutes, and then the rest of it we're going to cook without the lid on, only because there's so much moisture in here it would probably spill over. I'm going to go ahead and add an onion, chopped. All right, so this thing is getting a little bit full, so I am going to go ahead and save the tomato for the top. I'm going to put that on here the last 15 minutes. We're going to add some cream. And a whole bunch of cheese. Oh, and for the love of God, don't forget garlic. Enough garlic till your heart, tells you to stop. Now, if you want to add some of the fresh veggies that you get from your garden, you can put it in here. I'm using up what we have so we can go ahead and make room for the new stuff. All right, and a generous amount of cheddar. Because like she says, it doesn't go down easy if it's not cheesy. This is a muscle workout too. Do you think you can do an entire pound of cheese in one sitting? All right, that's about 1/4 pound of cheese. Let's go ahead and put the lid on here, throw it in the oven, and wait 20 minutes, take the lid off. Yeah, it's been gray all day today. It was a little bit gray yesterday too. We thought it was going to rain yesterday, but it didn't. We reorganized the shed to where we can actually get things in there now. And everybody has been getting ready for the solar eclipse. Now, it's going to pass right above our town. We are in the path of it. And it's going to happen on the 8th of April. Now, I'm working. I'm going to be stuck inside. I pray that they let us actually go ahead and see it. Give us an extra 15-minute break or something to be able to actually witness it. But I'm just hoping. If y'all watching, hey. Incentive. What you see over there? She's going after something. But other than that, absolutely nothing new has arisen this week. We did take the truck in to see if we can get it fixed. Other than, having a blown engine. They actually told us that it was most likely the fuel pump. I'm hoping it's the fuel pump. But I'm sorry, but the radiator fluid is not supposed to be rust red. So we will work from the fuel pump out and go from there. We just need to get it running because we're down to one car. There's the chicken. And here for the vegetables. So, nothing huge, nothing too fancy. I've got the carrots warming up in the microwave. If you want to add more cheese to this, you can. I've got a little bit of green tomato pickle chutney right here. We're going to add this, if I can get it open. There it goes. Smells good. And some carrots. You can put honey on these, a little bit of salt. I like them plain. Simple dinner. Eating what we have left in the freezer. That way we can go ahead and make room for more things out of the garden and hopefully hunting. Real food doesn't need to be complicated. It's simple. This is the reason why we preserve and put away. You have to eat your stores. If you don't eat your stores, why are you preserving? Then you become a doomsday prepper, and then you run the risk of your food that you've preserved going bad because they only last a few years. Thank you for joining. Hope you enjoyed. And we'll see you next time.